Today I'm gonna be talking about the truth of YouTube, how much a small channel makes through AdSense, and how long it took for me, how hard it was, and what it took for me to become a YouTuber. So I made this channel so that I could show and prove people that what reality of a YouTuber, a small channel, really looks like. And of course I am trying to make a business out of YouTube and make a living with this work, but I couldn't find a lot of genuine YouTubers who are not just trying to sell courses, but to show the truth and the reality of becoming or being a YouTuber. So I wanted to prove to viewers and show my journey of how I grow as a person with nothing to a monetized channel to making a business out of YouTube, and show the whole roadmap honestly and clearly as I grow my channel. So before I start, let me tell you, as you guys can all see, right now I am reading a script that I wrote, since I am not an articulate person nor good at English, so please do understand. And the reason for covering my face like this is because I want to separate my online business life and my offline business life, since my offline business life is also related to showing my face to people, so I wanted that to be separate. So please do understand, but I didn't want to use an avatar because I wanted to reach out to you guys more closer and intimately, so please do understand. Alright, so first of all, let me tell you how much I have made with 2 monetized YouTube channels from Korea. And as you may all know, the RPM varies depending on the country you live, and I heard that Korea has one of the lowest RPM in the world. So let's check out my 2 monetized channels. So these are my 2 monetized channels, and they are both AI related channels. So one is AI entertainment content, which I make creative videos through AI and show to people. And the other one is a channel where I introduce AI tools and how I use AI to monetize or make money online or YouTube. So the first channel got monetized in like 50 days. And I didn't think it would take that short, but to be honest, while I was on that journey, it felt like a long and anxious road. 50 days after it was monetized, I made about this much money, but the views suddenly dramatically dropped, and also I was putting less effort because of my second AI channel. So this first AI entertainment channel was a bit off of my attention, so it kind of died maybe, but I'm still using this channel for promoting my AI skills and so on. So it's still alive, but I'm not putting too much effort into it after being monetized. So first of all, my plan was to monetize one channel with AI videos, then make another channel that proves that I am capable of making AI channels monetized, and show my journey of growth in YouTube and show people how I made money or make AI videos. And gratefully, I got this second channel monetized as well within 3 months of full effort. So at the end of December, I had 2 channels monetized. And in total, this is how much I made with 2 channels until the day I monetized and until right now. So of course, I know what you're thinking, YouTube is demonetizing and deleting a lot of innocent channels as long as with AI slop channels. But I also have an experience with this, so I want to share that in another video, but not today. And plus, my first channel is also made of AI videos, but it is still safe and sound, not dead, not deleted, or not demonetized. So just to let you guys know. So you might think that this amount of money is okay for side hustle, but think about it. 9 months with this much money, but heck, a lot of effort is not okay, to be honest. But of course, if you look at it in a way of making small steps towards big business plan, then it is worth it. But to be honest and clear, 9 months with every day studying and editing and being creative, besides the time you are at your 9 to 6 work, it is hell load of work to do. Because my schedule was wake up early in the morning, work maybe 6 hours in YouTube, studying, editing, and looking for ideas and so on, then go to work at 3 p.m., then come back from work at 10 p.m., and then start working again until I went to sleep. So for those 6 months, I met no friends, didn't answer any calls, I didn't go out to play or play video games, which I am very obsessed with, but I didn't even exercise, I didn't do anything besides YouTube and work. So my full 100 effort was in this monetizing YouTube channel for 6 months, and you get this much amount of AdSense revenue. If I told this story to anybody, nobody wants to go through this, to be honest. But I know that I wanted to make a bigger business, not just an AdSense earning channels. So I knew that AdSense was just kind of like a sidekick. So I am still working on making a business out of these YouTube channels. And that is why I am making my third channel, reaching out to the bigger world for my business. So I don't know yet what it's gonna be, my business is gonna be, but first I will monetize this channel, gather more traffic with my channels, and try to do something with it. I don't know what's gonna happen with this channel or my business, but first of all, just start. And just to give you guys a heads up, information about my next videos, last month I made about 2K with YouTube, including AdSense. So I wanted to talk about this information later in another video. But today's video is only about this newbie guy like me from Korea monetizing 2 YouTube channels, and how much money these small channels actually really make through AdSense. So for that 50 days, that is how I spend most of my days, doing nothing but my tutoring work, entertainment business work, and YouTube channel, nothing else. So I had to lock in for 6 months in an office, and I think that is what it takes to kind of change your life, you know, or change where you are right at the moment. So right now I am almost at my 40s, and I'm 38 years old, and I have spent my life just working as a freelancing tutor and in an entertainment business on shows. So I had no information or any knowledge about how to make money or how to make a well-living life. No savings, nothing, no coordinated life. But I really realized it really late that if I don't put things together, especially financially right now, my life is a dead end, and I wouldn't be able to continue with my show business, the things that I want to do, nor get married or whatever. And that idea hit me so hard, and it felt like a life and death matter to me, and that is when I locked myself in for 6 months. And the reason why I chose YouTube as a business to start was because I don't like to work with people face to face. I don't like to run an offline business, and I wanted to be able to work remotely from anywhere at any time. So I thought to myself, what kind of work should I choose? So then I chose a work that I can do with only a laptop, which was AI and YouTube. So then I logged in and got these results. So today I wanted to talk about my journey and open up, not just because I wanted to make money or business, but to show people and share to people what reality really looks like. Not a fancy, already well-made business who sell courses or have a team selling services. A raw, real, genuine life business journey that one person is going through. And what that road really looks like, genuinely. Not a bubbled marketing, exaggerated false information or false hope. So my channel is going to be about AI, YouTube, and making money. So this is my first genuine video. Thanks for watching, and good luck to all the small channels. Cheers.